Shadows in the sky, footsteps in the night behind me.
Like they do in Texas, please. Fold them, let them hit me, raise it, baby, stay with me. I love it. Love game, intuition, play the cards with spades to start. And after he's been hooked, I'll play the one that's on his heart. I'll get him hard, show him what I got. I'll get him hard, show him what I got.
Hi Rose Ann, happiest 18th birthday. I wish you all the best and know that we'll always be here. I wish you nothing more but the prettiest, the most beautiful, and the kindest person that we know. And always remember to stay.
That I don't wanna call it what it is. But if I had a spaceship, I'd fly where you are. Go up to the place where you don't feel so far. I'm trying to save this, but you
na any material things, but I can only promise na palagi kitang ipagpipray, and I really hope and pray na someday magkaroon kayo ng relasyon ni Lord, yung deep relationship, kasi I promise you na pag nagkaroon kayo ng deep relationship kay Lord, talagang hindi naman mawawala lahat ng problema mo. Pero, ayun, andyan si Lord para sa'yo. Hindi ko rin kasi mapapromise na kung kakailanganin mo ko, na nandun din ako para sa'yo, kasi yun nga, we have our own lives, diba? But, Jesus, nandyan siya palagi para sa'yo.
all I see are stars. If I had a
Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Natupad yung pangarap mo na magkaroon ka ng ganitong debut. Salamat sa kuya mo kasi sinupad niya yung pangarap mo. Sana ay maging mabuti kang bata. Makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Huwag ka muna sana magbo-boyfriend para makamit mo yung mga pangarap mo, magkaroon ka ng magandang buhay.
had a spaceship. If I had a spaceship.
Rose Ann, first of all, happy birthday. Yan. Namiss ko kayong lahat dito. Sana mag-stay pa ako ng matagal. So, happy birthday. Alam mo naman, tagal na tayo magkakilala. Since bata pa. Wala naman ako masyadong advice kasi halos lahat ng mga advice galing sa iyo. Ayun, yun lang. Happy to see you again. Happy birthday.
If I could get to where you are, would it change this? If I could get to where you are, would it change this?
Na kahit nawala na ang mama at papa mo, kaya mahal na mahal kita kahit anong mangyari. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Rose Ann!
Would it change this? If I could get to where